Welcome again, friends. Today we are going to draw the donut. Some, are you excited to draw donut today?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so let's start. Let's make a very big circle.
Yeah.
Just watch me. Do a big circle like this. No, donut is circular shape. Okay, and then inside here, just do a shape like this.
Oh, wait,
Just like this. Good.
It looks like a happy mouth.
It looks like what?
Happy.
It looks like happy. Okay, just from here, just make another circle like this inside it. It's okay. It's totally fine. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do now is to make the
Sprinkles?
not the sprinkle, but the cream, the icing. So make shapes like this, zigzag shape like this. Watch and see what that is doing. You don't join it to the other one, just do like this and come here and just stay. Good, that's fine. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do now, let's give it a color.
Hooray!
Okay,
I'm ready. That's what I wanted to do now.
okay, or do we add the sprinkle first? Let's add the sprinkle before.
I want to do blue sprinkles.
You want to do blue sprinkle? All right, so let's give it, just watch and see. Just draw little lines on top, spread it a bit. You can take another color. Maybe we take green.
But
Green.
green, I'm going to use this kind of green.
Okay, anyone.
We can use all different colors.
Okay, so use green. Just add few colors, not too much. Then you change another color. You can use
Pink.
Okay. And use pink.
Pink is my favorite.
Pink is your favorite color? You like pink a lot?
Yeah. A few of pink.
Yeah, so once you have a few of it, which other color again? Want to put brown? Which one?
Brown.
Brown? Okay. That's fine. And brown. Okay. Is that enough? Can we go with other color now?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's color our dough with which color? Do we use orange? Or we use yellow? Or which color?
Yellow.
Yellow is fine.
Purple. Are we purple with an icing?
Okay, let's use purple for the icing.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, so this whole icing, we have to color it purple. Just the icing alone. Okay.
Be careful to not touch the sprinkles.
Yeah, be careful not to touch the sprinkles. Just color around the sprinkles. Gently around each sprinkles.
If you don't go gently or color the sprinkles.
Yeah. Do you like donuts?
Yeah, I'm going to eat the whole donut.
You're going to eat the whole donut after drawing it?
Yeah.
Sam, you're so funny. You like donuts. The other day we went to the shopping. We were looking for donuts. Although it was finished.
Yeah, but some days I found donuts on every day. I found, but last day I did not find any donuts.
Yeah, we did not see donut, but we bought another.
We bought chocolate for me.
Yes, we bought chocolate.
Chocolate muffin.
Yeah, we bought chocolate muffin for you. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, and I ate it and I wanted pizza. I ate pizza.
Yeah, we bought pizza also for you.
I want more pizza.
Oh,
wait, one day we can color a pizza.
Yes, one day we'll make a pizza. It will be our next drawing. You want us to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Make pizza. You like pizza too?
Yeah, I want to eat the whole pizza.
Oh,
I'm gonna eat the whole pizza and the sub.
Your pizza in the shop.
Yeah, I saw one. I saw a lot in the sub last day. I want to eat the whole pizza and the sub today.
With your small stomach?
Yeah.
Can all the pizza get into your small tummy?
Yeah.
Oh, Summer is done.
You're not done.
I'm not done yet.
Yeah, because your donut is too big.
My donut is big, you're correct.
Yeah, my donut is tiny.
Yeah. Okay, so now.
I'm gonna wait for you to be finished.
But you're not done coloring. Use another color to color the dough itself.
Inside or outside?
No, not inside, out here.
I'm gonna color it yellow. Don't touch the black.
Yeah. Donut is yummy.
Yeah. And one day you bought me a different kind of donut, like a purple donut. A purple donut.
Why did you say that?
You bought me a purple donut one year.
A long time?
Yeah,
What was the color of the donut? Why is it? You say it's purple. Is it because the color is different?
Yeah, it was purple. I'm already done.
It was purple?
Yeah, I'm already done with it.
Ooh,
Now, inside it.
No, inside it does not have color.
Why? Everything has to be colored.
Inside doesn't have color. Is it donut? The inside is open. Oh, my donut is so big. It's taking me time to finish. You're laughing at me?
Yeah.
Oh no, Summer is laughing at me. Friends, see, Summer is laughing at me. Because my donut is so big. And it's taking me time to finish.
Yeah. Daddy's donut is too big and he's taking a long time.
That's why you're laughing at me?
Yes.
Oh no. That's not fair.
Yes, it's fair.
That's not funny
Yes.
at all.
Yes.
Is it funny?
Daddy, do you know we can mix primary colors and we can get different colors?
Yes, you can mix some colors and get,
Different colors.
yes, primary colors and get different colors.
Daddy's donut is not done because he still has the icing.
Yes, I'm still doing the icing. My donut is so big. Alright, I'm done with the icing. What color did you use here? Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. I still have more.
Daddy's taking a long time.
It's taking a long time to do. Oh no. I'm soon done. Oh no. Summer is done with her own donut. And Summer is saying that I'm taking time.
I can dance. Blah, blah, blah,
You can dance now. What happened to your hand is fine now, right?
Yeah. I broke my hand.
You broke your arm, your collarbone.
Yeah, and my collarbone was hurting all day, and I will have to stay at home for ages.
For ages, and you didn't go to school for some time.
Yeah,
You were at home.
and Daddy was doing video all by
Oh no. But I'm happy you are back now. Your hand is fine now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and your friends will miss
Daddy
you.
did not let me color.
Yeah, I didn't let you color because your hand was bad. Alright, see. Oh, my donut is also ready. Summer donut is looking fine.
Your donut
Wow.
was too big. That is why it was taking a long
Yeah,
time.
it took me time. But this is so nice. Summer, you drew your donuts. It's looking nice. You're eating it. Funny. Alright, friends, we've come to the end of this video. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. And see you in our next video.
Next time we will draw a scary pumpkin.
Summer, you're funny. Bye.